Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class and today's topic mirror formula and the formula used in the chapter light to solve numerical problem. First, relation between radius of curvature and focal length of a mirror. It is a relation between radius of curvature and focal length of a mirror. R equal to 2f. It means radius of curvature is 2 times of its focal length. As you know, it is convex mirror. It is principal axis and it is the core of mirror. Let an object, a point object placed at point O, then a ray of light travel parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, this ray of light pass through the focus point. This is focus point. When we draw a normal over this mirror, this normal is always pass through the given point center of curvature of mirror. It is center of curvature. It is focal length and it is center of curvature. Or as you know, according to the first rule of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so as you can see, this line is parallel to this line. This is ray of light and this is principal axis. So these are two parallel lines and this line intersect these two lines. So this angle is equal to this. It is alternating angle between two parallel lines intersect by another line. Okay, so it means angle I equal to angle R in triangle. Let this point is M. Triangle CFM. CFM. Angle I equal to angle R. It means we can take CF equal to FM, or as a small aperture FM equal to FP. If the aperture of this mirror is too small, then point M and point P are too close to each other. It means the distance FM equal to FP. Means CF equal to FP. Or as you know, PF equal to focal length and PC equal to R. And according to this statement, CF equal to FT. It means PC equal to PF and CF, and PF you can write it FP plus CF. It means R equal to PF equal to F and CF equal to also FP. It is equal to FP, so it is also equal to F. Okay, so it means R equal to 2F. That is the relation between radius of curvature and focal length of a mirror. It means F equal to R by 2. It is the relation between U and V. What is U? U is the distance of object from pole of mirror, and V is the distance of image from pole of mirror, and F is the focal length of mirror. This relation is given as 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Okay, this is known as mirror formula. Third is magnification power. Magnification power is defined as the ratio of height of image to the height of object. The symbol of magnification power is M. It means M equal to H dash upon H. Let this is a concave mirror. Focal length, center of curvature, an object placed beyond C. Then a parallel ray of light travel and incident at a point on mirror. After reflection, it passes through the focus point, and another ray of light pass through center of curvature. Then two lines pass through focus and curvature intersect at a point. At this point we obtain image. So it is the height of object and it is height of image. So M equal to H dash upon H. H dash upon H is equal to the H dash upon H equal to minus V upon U. We can prove it, but in 10th class you have to learn this relation directly. M equal to minus V upon U. Or the focal length of a concave mirror is always take negative. The focal length of concave mirror is negative and the focal length of convex mirror is positive. Focal length of concave mirror is negative Okay. Now, that is the numerical. an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. So according to question, an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter. It means u equal to 30 centimeter. Or as you know, object is always placed in front of mirror. That it is object. The distance is u. As you know, we have to measure distance from the pole of mirror. So we have to move P to O. It means in the opposite direction of ray of light. It means u equal to negative according to sign convention. And the focal length of concave mirror f equal to 15 centimeter. Or as you know, the focal length of a concave mirror is always negative. Okay, so we have to find value of v. Then by using length formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. We can write their formula as by putting value 1 upon v, the value of u. What is the value of u? Value of u is minus 30 centimeter. And value of f minus 15 centimeter. So 1 upon v equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon 30 equal to minus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon v equal to 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 15. LCM 30. It means 30 divided by 31 and 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1, and 15 divided by 30 2 and 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, it means 1 upon v equal to minus 1 upon 30. So v equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay, it means u is placed at center of curvature. Or as you know, when object placed at center of curvature, when an object placed at center of curvature, the image is also obtained on center of curvature, but the image is real and inverted. As you know, m equal to h dash upon h, or h dash upon h equal to minus v upon u. So m equal to minus v upon u. The value of v is minus 30. And the value of u is also minus 30. It means minus 30/30 equal to -1. It means m equal to -1. The meaning of -1 is that the image is same size. And -1, the symbol of 1 is same size, and it is -1. It means it is real. And inverted. We can prove inverted as, because as you know, h dash upon h equal to minus v upon u, or value of h dash equal to minus v upon u into h. The value of v is -30, value of u is -30 into h. Minus minus plus, it means h dash equal to minus h. The sign of image is negative to the sign of object. Okay? Sign of image is equal to the negative of sign of object. It means image is inverted. I hope you understood. In my next video, I will explain the remaining topic of this chapter. Thank you very much.